The squeeze page, the landing page, lead squeeze, main squeeze, opt-in page. There's countless names, but they all have the same purpose: to provide potential customers with value and get them to join your email list. Now, email is where it's at, all right? It's still hip. And before you say, okay, boomer, number one, I'm a millennial, and two, in most cases, industry-wide, email sells more than social media. It's a business medium, it's a transactional medium, it's a personal medium. So no matter what you're doing, you need to build your email list, and therefore, you need a squeeze page. So first, a bit of history. The squeeze page is actually the evolution of its much more problematic ancestor, the pop-up. Pop-ups were created and used by a ton of marketers who were basically able to make big offers and promises for nothing more than a simple trade of someone's personal email. And for a long time, people were making a ton of money this way. But over time, things changed, and the internet wasn't exactly the Wild West anymore. There were systems and rules in place, but that simple trade-off, a free something for an email, remained. But the vehicle and the style changed into the squeeze page. It's become one of the most effective ways to grow your email list of targeted potential buyers, and it's essential whether you're an established brand or a new entrepreneur. So the squeeze page is made up of two pages: the lead magnet and a thank you page. For those that are new, a lead is someone who indicates interest in a company's product or service in some way, shape, or form. In this case, buy your squeeze page. A magnet contains electrons that have both uneven orbits. Wrong definition. It's basically a free product or service you can offer that has an extraordinary power or ability to attract. Like a magnet. So, if we put those together, a lead magnet is a free offer you're making in exchange for someone's email address. It's a win-win for both of you. So you have this very simple page pointing to nothing else besides what they'll get for their email. No menu bar, no links to social media, no nothing. Just a simple design, crystal clear copy, and a single call to action. Now, what can you offer? Well, you should ask yourself, is it something that will attract customers and ideally repel the type of people you don't want on your list? You could be offering a mini course, presets, a cheat sheet, a template, a video, a coupon, a demo, a contest. It could be something very simple, but as long as it adds value to those accessing it, they will remember you and they will open your emails in the future. But first, they need to opt in. And the way to do that is to make them curious. This is done through very simple copy. Some formulas you could use are: learn how to blank by doing blank, get blank, I'm revealing blank, and of course, find out blank. Now, in order for this to be effective, you really need to put yourself in their shoes. So as you look at this page, is the offer good enough? Is the copy simple? A no-brainer trade like trading a Squirtle for a shining Charizard? Does it say so much while also saying so little? Does it feel trustworthy? Or should I just put in one of my old junk emails I've had since high school? But is there also an element of subtle forcefulness that encourages action? Does it tell me exactly what to do? Oh, okay. And boom, they enter their real email they log into daily, and that brings us to page 2. The thank you page. You give them what they just asked for. If it's a download link, an ebook, a trial, whatever it is. Then you thank them for opting in, and that's it. Now, you could offer something else here, but that shouldn't be the priority with this funnel. Your goal is to simply collect emails so you can continue the conversation later, to send them emails, free content, and eventually something else you have to offer. Don't try to sell them something right away. Let's look at some examples. This is Kaylin Poulin's squeeze page for her brand Lady Boss. There's a strong call to action, relatable, simple copy, minimal design. She added a few benefits here which support the offer without overcomplicating it. Here she builds authority by showing the channels she's been featured on. She visually shows her fitness journey, making her relatable. There's some testimonials of people she's helped. And finally, she tells them exactly what to do. Enter your email, get your free kickstart. If you're still thinking about what you can offer people, here's a few more examples. 5 morning rituals. Want to know the secret to free travel? Behind the scenes of a journey from startup to 100 million. Discover 9 ways you can make a good living as a writer. So, if you've made it this far, you'll be happy to know that you could build an entire squeeze page in the same amount of time it's taken you to watch this video. If you're using ClickFunnels, of course. And if you were watching at 0.25 playback speed, then it would be a similar time using one of our competitors. But either way, I implore you, build a squeeze page and build your email list. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. And remember, you're just one funnel away. Can someone get these things out of here?